Alright, so I feel like nobody really utilizes leftover turkey that much because everybody ends up eating like all the sweet potatoes, everybody ends up eating all like the stuffing, the green bean casserole. Like sometimes there's some left, but it's not enough to fight over, you know? Like it's not like, oh, you get some, you get some, you get some, you get some, grandma gets some, cousin gets some, you know. It's usually all gone. But nobody eats the turkey. There's always a gallon Ziploc bag left full of turkey, or half the time the turkey is still left in the pan because there's that much turkey left. But the whole point of this video is going to be kind of the thought process behind utilizing leftover turkey. Same concept, same idea. Not a whole lot of recipe today. I am going to do the marinated tomatoes that I've done in the past, and I'll still put the recipe for that in the description below. And then we're not making pesto. I just went ahead and bought some. Frankly, there's enough cooking going on this week that sometimes people just don't want to cook anymore. So I will still put the recipe that I use in the description below, and I think I've made it before, but we're just going to use some pesto. And then we got some mozzarella cheese, and then like I said, for the demonstration today, I just got some oven roasted turkey. Same idea, same concept, but let's get started. So another thing is, we're going to put this on sourdough bread. I haven't gotten to make my own sourdough yet. We're working on it. In fact, this is Pablo, meet Pablo. He's a work in progress, but we're getting there. One day, we're gonna make our own sourdough. So just soon. But we're working with what we got today. So first thing, like I said, marinated tomatoes. So I have here one shallot that we're gonna dice up. Yeah, my hankering for sandwiches has been unreal lately. So we're gonna make sandwiches for a little bit, but that's okay. Like I said, we're gonna learn how to utilize some leftovers. Okay, add that to our bowl. All right, and then I thought I had some garlic. I didn't. I suck. I know. So we're gonna use garlic powder instead. I know it's not the same. Gabe, go to the grocery store more often. I know. But we got that, and then we're gonna add some red wine vinegar, and you're gonna do equal parts vinegar to oil, and we're gonna use olive oil. So I'm gonna do a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar and then a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Okay, then some salt, some pepper, and then we're gonna add just a dash or two of crushed red pepper. Okay, and then mix that together. Okay, set him off to the side. Okay, then I got 2 tomatoes that we're gonna slice. Okay, mix those around, get everything tossed in there. Okay, set these guys off to the side, and now we're gonna start putting the sandwich together. Okay, and the first thing I wanna do is I wanna heat up the turkey. The reason being is because one, when you use the leftover turkey, it's gonna be cold, and nobody wants cold turkey on a cold day. Everybody wants hot food again. So, in order to accomplish all of that, you gotta heat up your turkey first. We're gonna go ahead and turn our pan on, let that get a little warm, and we're gonna add just about a tablespoon of olive oil to this. All right, pan's hot. Let's add in our turkey. Kind of break it up a little bit. Going for the rustic look. No, I'm kidding. And we just want to get some color on this. Heat it all the way through. And I'm using about 3 good-sized slices, 3.5 good-sized slices of turkey. And these are kind of thick sliced, I'm not gonna lie. So 3 or 4 decent sliced worth of turkey. Or if you're using actual turkey and you cut them, you know, about 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch thick, then 1 or 2 is perfect. Just enough to cover the bread and enough to cover the sandwich and to give you something to eat. And if you want to, if you are using deli turkey for some reason, kind of go through and press it down, or you can use a normal cast iron press or whatever. But you want to get some nice char on it, just a little bit, not a lot, but it'll also help heat it through. All right, so our turkey's hot. Let's put a sandwich together. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I want to put my pesto on here. Okay, then we're gonna go 2 slices of mozzarella cheese. Actually, we're gonna go 3 because I want some cheese on this sandwich. Okay, then we're gonna go with our marinated tomatoes. Make sure you get some of that good stuff on there too. Okay, then we're gonna throw our turkey on. Okay, and then 3, 2, 1. All right, then we're gonna turn our griddle on. All right, so our griddle is hot. I'm gonna brush just a little bit of olive oil on one side of the bread. It's on here. Brush a little bit on the other side. So we're gonna let this go for about 3 minutes on the one side, then we'll flip it over, let it go another 3 minutes on the other side, just until the bread gets nice. Then we'll cut into it, and we'll try it out. All right, so it's all toasted. And there you have a turkey pesto sandwich. Let's eat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't even know what side I want. I want this side. So this side got a little bit better of a crust than this side. This side was kind of janked up. The piece kind of came off, but whatever. But look at that. Look at that. Cheers. Would you get a little bit more out of it with the turkey? If it was real turkey? Yes. Does this work? Yes. Would it probably taste better with leftover turkey? 100% yes. Is it still a good sandwich? Yes. Could you still use deli turkey for this sandwich? Yes. All yeses. Delicious. So the marinated tomatoes are kind of chugging this sandwich along. It helps kind of cut through the fattiness of the pesto and that intense pesto flavor, as well as it kind of helps bring the turkey out just a little bit. And then the mozzarella is just makes it a cheesy, ooey gooey mess of deliciousness. You kind of get little bites, little chunks of that shallot from the marinated tomatoes. And it's just, But yeah, surprisingly, I wish I had used more turkey. Like, again, that's where leftover turkey comes in. And it kind of fills the sandwich out a little bit more. But still would be a fantastic way to utilize leftover turkey. So there you have it, guys. A great way to utilize leftover turkey. A great way to utilize just leftovers in general. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button and notification button for me. Make sure you throw a comment down below for me. And as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!